Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the distraction-free learning feature of Astra for LifterLMS. So what the distraction-free learning feature does is it makes it so the menu does not appear on LifterLMS pages such as courses and lessons. It creates a distraction-free learning experience, and it does have this image here, which is my profile image, and that links over to my LifterLMS student dashboard. It creates a nice distraction-free learning environment inside of your LifterLMS content, so I'll show you how to make that possible. To start out, we'll go to the LifterLMS admin, we'll head to Appearance, and then Customize. And this is a feature of Astra Pro, so you'll need that in order to make this all work. All right, now we'll go to Layout, LifterLMS, General, and then, here's where you can enable distraction-free checkout, but went to the wrong place. So go to Course and Lesson, and then down to distraction-free learning right here at the top. And I already had it enabled, as you can see right here, but this is where you'll just tick that checkbox and then publish. So that's how you enable distraction-free learning from the Astra theme for LifterLMS. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.